Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 5, that is basic understanding elementary shapes, and that is part 3. In previous video we discussed part 1, part 2 student, and we start the questions, and in this video we will also discuss some questions based on concept. So student, we discuss till question number third 1. Now again I am going to discuss question number 2 of third question. So see, it is given student east and make 1 whole 1 by 2 revolution. First we will make diagram east, west, north, south. Okay everyone, so first we will make this diagram. This is very important. अब the second thing is student, we will solve कि what is given, or all are 90 degree everyone know. So 1 whole 1 upon 2, it means student what? 3 upon 2. You know that 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 upon 2. Into revolution, it means 360, means 1 revolution equal to 360 students. Now 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 60, 0. It will come 3 multiplied by 180. Okay everyone, so this will come 540, 300, 3 8 are 24, 3 1 are 3 over 2, 5. Yani 540 degree you have to move from east. So see student, from east you will move. So first you will move, it will come 90. Again you will move, फिर 90. Again you will move, again 90. Okay, again you will move 90. It means east to east, 360 degrees completed. Okay na, east to east 360 degree completed. Now you have to find out 540 na. Again you will move where? East to south. Again you will move east to south. Okay, so फिर 360 plus 90, it will come what? 450. But we have to find out 540. Again you will move where? East to south. You will move south to west. South to west means here to here. Yani finally when you will move till west, you will got 450 plus 90. It means it will come what? It will come student 540 degree. Yani your answer is what? Your answer is south. Okay everyone. देखो, there is no need of doing these lots of things. When you know that when you will move east to south, south to west, west to north, north to east. To east, you know that when start from one point, again you will go that point. So 360 completed. Now you have to complete 540. Again you will move 90. मतलब what is the requirement? Again you will move 90. So you will come south. But requirement is not fulfilled because it will come 450. Again you will move 90. So it will come to west. तो यानी west is our, sorry, south नहीं, west is our correct answer. Okay everyone, west is our correct answer. So by this student you will solve this question very easily. Okay, I explain each step in this question. Okay everyone. Okay, now move to the question number 4. No, move to the question number 4. See what is given in the question number 4. See, all questions are based on the concept which I explained. So you have to focus on the concept and direction and what is clockwise, what is anti-clockwise. You have to do all the things very carefully. Or everyone come online class because every day lots of things I discussed. Okay everyone. Now move to the question number 4. See, you have to also find out what? Question number 4, part of revolution. Part of revolution. Okay, means you have to find out what is student, you have to find out fraction. What is given? East and turn clockwise to face north. East, from east, turn, 1 minute, east na, this is east, east and turn clockwise and turn clockwise to face north. देखो, this is very good question student. East and turn clockwise to face north. अब you have to solve this question. तो what fraction we will got. Now same student, we will draw the diagram east, west, north, south. This diagram is very important everyone. Okay, this is basic. East and turn clockwise. So clock means right hand side you will move, or anti means left hand side you will move. So east and turn clockwise to face north. Yani east to north you have to go. So first you will go east to south, then you will go south to west, again you will go west to north. Yani east to north. How many right angle student? East to north means 90, 90, 90. Yani 90 multiplied by 3. Yani 270 degree you have to move. Now student, you have to find out fraction, revolution. Yani how you will find out 270 upon total revolution you will write out. Total revolution is student 360 because total is 360 na. Now 0 0 cancel. Now 9 3 ja 27 and 9 4 ja 36. So the correct answer is student. What part of revolution will come? 3 upon 4. Okay everyone. So you have to do the question based on this like that. First you will make diagram and where you are moving. Then you have to measure angle. How 270 everyone know na? 90 90 90 and 270. Okay. Okay. Now move to the question number 5. Question number 5 you have to do. देखिए this question are very different and very important. Okay everyone, you can also explain anyone else कि how it is coming. So do all the question very carefully. अब the next question it is given. You have to find out कि find the number of right angle. What you have to find out student? Number of right angles. You have to find out student number of right angles. For example, it is given A 3 to 6. So the very easiest method to find out the number of right angle. See 3 to 6 how many steps? Find out number of steps. Number of steps. 3 to 6 how many steps student? 4 5 6. 3 step ना? It means 3 multiplied by what? अच्छा number of steps तो ये हो गया चलो 3. अब angle you have to find out. Angle. So you know that 3 step 1 step 30 degree. तो 3 step means 3 into 30. It means 90 degree. So 3 to 6 how many right angle? 1 right angle. Simple, very simple. This is 1 right angle. Okay, clear everyone? चलिए and one other question I am going to do. जैसे 2 to 8 it is given. Another question I am going to take 2 to 8. 2 to 8 same method you will apply student. कि how to solve 2 to 8. देखिए 2 to 8. अब see 2 to 8 student steps you will find out steps. Okay, 2 to 8 3 4 5 6 7 8 how many steps? 6 steps. Okay everyone. Now angle student, see angle equal to what? 30 multiply by, because one step equal to 30 degree, so 6 step, so 6 multiply 30 यानी 180 degree. अब tell me in 180 how many right angle? How you will find out? You know that 90 plus 90 it will come 180. And 2 right angle फिर भी if you are facing any difficulty you can write down right angle, right number of right angle is equal to 180 upon 90. Okay, so this will come what? 2 यानी 2 right angle. बस this is very easy. If you have any confusion कि how many right angle it is given, so what you will do, you will divide it by 90, then you will find out. If I want to know कि how many right angle in 540, how many right angle in 540 degree, let us assume. तो कैसे? How you find out? You will divide it by 90. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 9 6 यानी 6 right angle. Clear everyone? So by this you will find out. So this is question number 5 student. That was question number 5. Now we will discuss question number 6. What is given in the question number 6? What is the requirement of the question? All question are very important student. You have to do all the question very carefully, as well as NCERT as well as MLLR. So now we will move to the question number 6. What is given in the question number 6? Okay. Now 6. How many right angle do you make? Again, number of right angle based on number of right angle. See, when you solve this question na, after understanding the concept you will feel very enjoyable. Clear everyone? So do all the question. South and turn clockwise to, चलिए पहले एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मान लेते हैं. वन क्वेश्चन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. नॉर्थ एंड टर्न एंटी क्लॉकवाइज टू ईस्ट. नॉर्थ एंड टर्न एंटी क्लॉक to east. See student, in this question what it is given? It is given anti-clockwise. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. Okay, how to solve this question? You have to see very carefully how to solve this question. Okay everyone? So everyone देखिए, north and turn anti-clockwise to east. So first we will draw diagram. See, east, west, north, south. It is given north and turn anti-clockwise to east. अब you know that clockwise means that side, right hand side. Anti-clockwise मतलब इसमें left hand side. तो north to east. देखिए north and east. तो first we will go north to west. Okay. फिर west to south. फिर south to east. Means how many right angle student? How many right angle? 1 2 3. यानी directly you can write down 3 right angle. Everyone clear? How it will come? See, north to west one right angle, west to south one right angle, south to east one right angle. So how many right angles, students? 3 right angles. This is very easy. By this way you can find out how many right angle you have to find out. So student, on the basis of this you will find out, if I want to know how many right angle from north to east clockwise. Let us assume if I want to know north to east how many right angle clockwise. So you know that north to east only one step, मतलब 190 degree to one right angle. So on the basis of this you will solve this question, student. I think now this is clear how to solve. Clear? Diagram is very important. You can make diagram, मतलब you should make diagram. On the basis of this you can solve the question very easily. Only you have to focus. Okay everyone? Question number 7 you have to do. Where will be the handout clock stop if it start? See, again you have to find out time. It is given from 6 and turn through one right angle. देखिए, from 6 and turn through one right angle. Okay, you have to find out what? You have to find out time. It is given key where will the R end of a clock stop. The R end of clock stop, it means you have to find out what, student? You have to find out simply time. चलिए, let us start from 6 and turn through one right angle. अब you know that, student, कि one right angle means 90 degree. Everyone know 2 right angle means 180 degree. Okay, so first you will find out number of steps. अब number of steps, student, what? 90, तो it is given. अब you will divide it by what? Remember, analyze करिए कि 1 step equal to what? 30 degree. So you will divide it by 30 degree. Now 30 3 ja 90. Everyone know. Yani from 6 you have to move 3. You have to move, student, what? 3 step. Yani 6 plus 3. It means what? 9 o'clock. See, this is very simple. Na? This is very simple. First you will find out what? Steps. Then you will divide it by 30. Okay everyone? This is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 1 minute. 9 o'clock. Okay everyone? Chalo, one other question I am going to take. From 10 turn through 3 right angle. From 10 1 minute. अब देखिए, question is very easy. Only your concentration should be on the question. Your focus should be on question. देखिए, third question is given C part. From 10 and turn through 3 right angle. From 10 and turn through, it is 1 given now. They have changed it 3 right angle. 3 right angle. Okay everyone? So see, from 10 3 right angle. Yani 3 right angle means 3 into 90. It means 100 and 270 degree. You know that, my student? 3 right angle means 3 multiplied 90 यानी 270 degree. अब ना number of steps you will find out. It means 270. Again, student, you will divide it by what? You will divide it by one step. One step means 30 degree. यानी 30 degree. Now 0 0 cancel. 3 9 are 27. यानी it will come 9 steps. Okay everyone? अब you know that कि 10 plus 9. Okay? मतलब 9 step कम ना? तो 10 plus 9 19. अब 19, tell me, 19 means what? 12 means 1, 13 means 2, 14 means 12 is 12, 13 means 1, ठीक है ना? 14 means 2, 15 means 3, 16 means 4, 17 means 5, 18 means 6, 19 means 7. 7 o'clock. Okay everyone? So देखिए, this is very simple. By this you can solve the question very carefully. Okay? This is very easy method. Okay everyone? Now student, we will move on the exercise 5.3. Okay everyone? We will move exercise 5.3. Okay, 5.2 all question I explain, all types I explain. We will move question exercise 5.3. Let us see what is given in the 5.3 and what is different. Okay everyone, types of angle तो I explain. So I think the question in 5.3 is related to the type of angle. अच्छा चलिए, exercise 5.3 come everyone. What is given? अब सी स्टूडेंट 5.8 is given. अच्छा देखिए, स्ट्रेट एंगल, राइट एंगल, एक्यूट एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, एवरीथिंग गिवन. तो आई विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन, यू विल डू योरसेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू योरसेल्फ. यूज योर ब्रेन. एवरीवन नो कि राइट एंगल मींस व्हाट? राइट एंगल means 90 degree, everyone know. But student, in this book it is given there is no 90 degree option. Okay everyone, तो you will find out what, जैसे देखिए 1/4, देखिए 1/4, it is one thing is given कि 1/4 of revolution, 1/4 of revolution. What is the mean of this? 1/4 means 1/4 into revolution means 360. Okay everyone, तो 4 9 या 36, यानी it will come 90 degree. यानी see, right angle and 1/4 of revolution means same thing. तो similarly you will find out your according to the question. Okay everyone, okay. अब I explain acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, everything I explain students now. So you will do the question number second according to that. Now nothing is given. Now come on 5.4. 5.4. Come on 5.4. Because 5.3 all angles are given, so I explain everything. Okay everyone. So 5.4 then. 5.4 is given student. What is measure of a right angle? Now everyone know what is the measure of right angle? Very easy question, 90 degree. Straight angle everyone know? Straight angle is 180 degree. Bas, that is given in the your book. Second, the measure of an acute angle 90 degree. Chaliye, second is true false. 1 2 I will explain. See, the measure of angle, acute angle less than 90 degree. Now you know that acute angle less than 90 degree. Now tell me you, this is correct statement or incorrect? You know that कि acute angle lies between 0 to where? 89 degree. It means this is the less than 90 degree. यानी this statement is true. बिल्कुल, there is no doubt. Okay. Next is the measure of obtuse angle. अब you know that what is obtuse angle, student? Obtuse angle is what? Everyone know what is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle. Everyone know obtuse angle means whose measure is more than 90 degree. So it is given कि the measure of obtuse angle less than 90 degree. देखिए measure of obtuse angle less than 90. अब tell me you कि this is correct or incorrect? कि measure of obtuse angle is less than 90. It is given. So what it is given, student? This statement is absolutely false because obtuse angle, you know that the obtuse angle lies between 91 to 179 degree. This is obtuse angle. Clear? यानी obtuse angle always greater than 90 degree, but it is given obtuse angle less than 90 degree. So this is false. Okay? So on the basis of this, you will solve this question. अब you have to write on some acute angle, some obtuse angle. The acute angle you know that 30, 40, 60, or obtuse angle you know that 120, 130, 150. You can write down. This is question number 3rd. Okay, everyone. चलिए, तो you will do yourself this question. Okay. All the question based on this. Now move to the exercise 5.5. 5.5. What is given? 5.5 we will discuss. Exercise 5.5. देखिए स्टूडेंट, 5.5 is also very simple. It is given which of the following model perpendicular line. अब you know that this is perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means two line meet each other at 90 degree. या are two line intersect each other at 90 degree. देखिए two line, this is line A, this is line B. So they are intersecting each other at 90 degree. So they are known as perpendicular. First example is given the adjacent edge of tabletop. Adjacent edge of tabletop. What is the meaning of this? See, let us assume this is your whiteboard. Let us assume the adjacent edge means we having common side. तो देखो this side and this side. जैसे like that. ऐसे है. So they are 90 degree. यानी first statement is true. Second, the line of railway track. अब line of railway track is what? Line of railway track. Tell me what is this? Like that. So they are parallel. You will write on parallel. Third is the line segment forming letter L. Forming letter L. This is L. So this is what? This is perpendicular. You can write on perpendicular. See, this is they are making 90 degree. Okay. Second is given the letter V. See the letter V. Tell me the letter V. What represent the letter V? What represent the letter V? Letter V. You know that letter V represents what? Acute angle. Okay. So I explain all the things. You have to choose in it. You have to choose in it. Clear everyone? Okay. Now come on question number 2. What is given the question number 2? All question is based on perpendicular line. Okay everyone, so question number 2 we will discuss what is given in question number 2. Question number 2 is given that PQ is a perpendicular line segment XY. So first we will draw the line segment XY. This is X, this is Y. This is question number 2. Okay everyone, now it is given let PQ be the perpendicular to line segment XY. Yani PQ perpendicular on this one. PQ. This is P, this is Q. Okay everyone. Now next it is given कि let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. अच्छा, they are intersecting on the point A. This is point A. Intersecting their point A. It is given PQ be the perpendicular to line segment XY. देखिए PQ perpendicular on XY. This is correct. And this is the meeting point of PQ and XY. This is given in the question. Now it is given कि what is the measure of PAY. अच्छा, it is given what is the measure of PAY. So this is P, this is A, this is Y. So what it is given? 90 degree. Okay everyone? PAY is 90 degree. You will write down. If I want to know what is PAX, so again 90 degree. YAQ again 90 degree. XAQ again 90 degree. All are 90 degree because they are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means line making 90 degree on each other. Okay everyone? They are intersecting each other at 90 degree. Clear everyone? So this is known as perpendicular. Okay. Now what is given? Third question, student. See, third question is given. There are two set square. Okay. So set square, you know that in your instrument box, this type of given like that. Okay. So only you have to know the measure of this one. So you will find out this question yourself. What is the measure of what can be the measure of the set square? You will try to find out yourself. Okay, everyone. In your book, it is also some explanation is given about set square. Okay. If it is not given, you will find out yourself. Okay. Now question of fourth. Question of fourth. What is given? It is given. Study the diagram. So diagram I am going to explain first. This is given 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next it is given A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay everyone, this diagram is given. And now on the basis of this, you have to solve the question. You have to solve the question. Now it is given. Again one is given. The line L is perpendicular to line M. Line L is perpendicular to line M. देखिए, the line L is perpendicular to line M. अब one line is given. It is given ऐसे. Okay, line L is perpendicular on line. This is your M. This is M, or sorry, 1 minute. This is P, student. This is P, or this is M. This is P, or this one is M. This is your diagram. Of the next it is given CE equal to EG. You have to find out. This is that CE equal to EG. Of how you will find out, student? मतलब you have to check this is correct or not. So check the distance from C to E. Okay everyone, C to E. So C 1, C to D, फिर D to E 1. यानी C to E how many distance? 2 unit. C to E 2 unit. Okay everyone, you can also check C to E will go. You will find out C to E. This is 2 step, 2 unit. Okay everyone. Now again you have to move E to G. E to G. See E to G. यानी E to F 1, F to G 1. यानी again 2 unit. Again 2 unit. Okay everyone. If both distances are same, so this is common sense. You can say कि C equal to EG equal to 2 unit. Okay. So the statement is given कि C equal to EG. Is C equal to EG? You will write down yes. Okay. On the basis of this diagram, you can also check, student, कि the distance in both case distance is same. Okay everyone. So you can say yes, they are equal. Now second question, does PE bisect CG? Second question is given कि PE bisect CG. PE bisect CG. Now we will find out where it is true or false. See, this is PE. देखो PE bisect CG. Where is CG? CG. Okay, everyone. So how we will find out this question? First, we will find out distance of C to E. देखिए, this is PE. PE bisect CG. अब when you will see ना, तो diagram like that. देखिए, C, D, E, और this line F, this line G. अब it is given. It does. देखो, this is P. ये है P और this one is M. Okay, everyone. अब it is given in the question कि does PE bisect CG. एकदम ध्यान से समझिए. Does PE bisect CG? Do you know that yes, this is bisecting. Why? Because देखिए, there is two unit. There is also two unit. Okay, and this is also E is the middle point. This is bisect and the PE bisect CG in two equal part. But how we will find out? To find out कि length of CE. Find out length of CE. So C to E. How many steps? C to D, D to E. 2 unit. Okay. Now again you will find out E to G. E to G. E to G student what? Again 2 unit. So you know that C to D from left hand side, C to E left hand side and E to G right hand side. Both are equal. Okay, everyone. If both are equal, it means you can write down C equal to EG equal to 2 unit. So you can say yes. So PE bisect what is in the question? CG. Okay, PE bisect CG. Why? देखो again PE, this is given P or E. PE bisect CG, it is given. तो कैसे? How you will find out difference? See, you will find out distance C to E because E is the midpoint. So C to E 2 unit and E to G again 2 unit. So you can say the distance from left hand side and right hand side both are same. So it means PE bisect CG. This is very simple. Next is given identify any two line segment for which PE is the perpendicular bisector of BH. PE, देखो PE is the perpendicular bisector of BH. It means you have to find out on which PE bisect into equal part. So one I explained. One I am going to write down BH. You can write down one BH. How? BH. जैसे देखिए B to H. B to H when you will go B. This is B to H when you will go. तो देखो B to H how this bisect. You will find out PE. देखो PE in the middle. अब B to D. When you first you will find out B to D. 3 unit. Again you will find out F to H. Again 3 unit. यानी 3 unit. This is same. यानी distance left hand side distance and right hand side distance. If same, it means the PE bisect that line segment. So you will find out yourself. One I explained BH. Okay, everyone. Next you will find out yourself. Okay. So this is our question number, student. Which one? 4th. Okay. Okay. Now next question is given D part. AC greater than FG. चलिए, we will discuss next part. D part. Do this question very carefully. This is very important and very different type of question. Okay. देखिए. Next question is given D part. D part is given student कि AC greater than FG. AC greater than FG. First find out value of AC. यानी distance of AC. AC यानी A to B, B to C. यानी 2 unit. A to B, B to C. 2 unit. FG find out student FG. FG here FG. देखिए FG. F to G, G to H. अब बताइए F to G, G to H. What it is given? F to G. F to G. अब देखिए F to G it is given what? 1 unit. Because F to G, देखो ध्यान से F to G when you will move F to G, it will come only 1 unit. Okay, everyone. तो A to C 2 unit and F to G 1 unit. यानी you can say yes AC greater than FG. This is yes. मतलब this is true. Okay, everyone. Clear, everyone? Why? Because A to C 2 unit and F to G 1 unit. So which one is greater? AC is greater. This is very easy question. And next you will do yourself, student. Okay, all are very easy. अब देखिए what is given in the next, student. Next is given CD equal to GH or not. So you will find out CD 1 unit and next is given what? GH also 1 unit. यानी second is also 2. So on the basis of this diagram, student, you will find out the solution of all the question. But you have to see very carefully. Okay, everyone. So I explained till exercise 5.5. In next video we will discuss some other things related to this chapter, student. Till you have to do all the question and you have to practice more and more. Okay, and everyone prepare a PDF of all exercises. Clear, everyone? So I explain all the things. My part is done, student. My part is done. You will do yourself all the question. Clear, everyone? So we will meet in next video. Thank you, students.